Next, arrange the following steps of constructing a triangle ABC in which AB equals to 4, BC 60 degrees, altitude CL 3 centimeters, and then construct triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC such that each side of triangle ADE is 3 upon 2 times that of the corresponding side of ABC. See here, this is similar to that of the earlier problem, but only the points given are similar. The question is different. Here you will have to arrange the steps, right? There it was, which was the wrong step. So suppose if you have to draw first, again the logic is same. Two triangles we have to draw, ABC and then some other triangle ADE, I think so. Yeah, triangle ADE. So in both the triangles, they are similar to each other. So first we'll start with triangle ABC because that is the base. So AB equals to 4 first. So start with AB equals to 4. Where is AB equals to 4? Step number 4, right? AB equals to 4. That will be the first step. Unless you know AB, you can't go ahead, right? So fourth is the first step. So which options have fourth as the first step? A, B and C. D is gone now, okay? So now check within ABC. Next is what? Say this, you draw AB. Now we'll have to draw this BC 60 degrees. That's given. Angle B is given as 60, right? See this, angle B is 60. So next step will be to draw B60. Where is it? B60 sixth, right? Which one has the sixth step? A. B and C don't have it. So A is the correct option. Forget everything else in the problem now. Your option is okay. A. Move ahead. Leave the problem. In exams, saving of time is important. Now don't go on solving all this fifth, first, third. They'll definitely be correct. Once you get the correct option, second, remaining things all would be correct. So don't waste your time. Okay. Now if you want to check, you can definitely check. I have seen this and all these steps come out to be correct. Okay. Main point in these types of problems is elimination. You have to go on eliminating so that you arrive at a single answer. Next, given below are the steps of construction of two tangents to a circle without using center of the circle of the radius 4 from the point P. Which of the following steps are incorrect? Here, important point to note is this protractor. This is called as protractor. This is not allowed. And